I don't want you to get into these lies and excuses that will get into your head, naku, hindi ko nagawa yung business na yun because kinakailangan, meron ka pa palang 50,000 to do this and to do this and to do that. You don't have to. Okay, just want to be clear. You can do this with nearly zero investment, except for the website, which you can do it by yourself. Our hosting, which will cost you about what? 4,200 a year. Think about it. That's really the very basic you need to get started. Again, ulitin ko po, kaya ko po sinasabi na ito because I've coached a lot of people and people will start to make excuses and start people making things up and lying to themselves because yung po ang pinakamahirap eh. Yung pag nagsinungaling na kayo sa sarili ninyo, wala na kasi makikibargain doon eh. Hindi ba? Isipin ninyo yun. Pag nagsinungaling na kayo sa sarili ninyo, wala nang makakapagbago ng isip ninyo. Alam kong hindi naman yun ang tanong ni Gerard, pero I know na baka yung iba ang isipin, kailangan mo pang magbayad dito. Hindi po. Kinakailangan lamang ninyong pag-aralan, which is yun po yung itinuturo ko sa inyo. I just want to be clear. Malinaw po ba? So you don't need to invest that ridiculous amount to get started. You just have to be resourceful. Because ang common mistakes sa people na gustong magnegosyo, what do they normally blame? Resources. Anong lagi nila sinasabi? I don't have enough capital. I don't have connections sa government. Or I don't have this and that. They're always blaming and making lack of resources as an excuse. Do you think that if you are resourceful enough, you can find a way? Kung meron ka talagang pangarap, and even if you don't have enough resources, do you think you can find a way? If you really have this ambition, if you really have this persistence, absolutely. Again, I don't want you, bilang isang entrepreneur, I don't want lack of resources will be an excuse for you guys not to execute and not to make this thing happen. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.